Right, I just got the Jack Links. Let's see what's in here. Do not cut case. Alright, can I read the case? Yeah, dude. I'm so ready to eat this. No instructions needed. 16, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 of these. Boom. Okay, check this out. This is teriyaki flavored Jack Links, 100% beef, no added MSG, no added nitrates, no added nitrites. This is a beef stick. Okay, this is 5 grams of protein, 2 grams total sugar, and US inspected. Cool. Nutrition facts, 1 stick. That's how many calories, total fat. There's a cholesterol, sodium, total carbs. There's a protein, all the nutrition facts there. It also has a phone number if you want to contact them. It also has soy. What else can I learn from here? There's all the ingredients. It has more than soy. Beef, water, brown sugar, all that stuff. Okay, all right, this, you're eating about 9-ish inches of beef jerky. And I'm gonna eat one right now. So good.